Welcome travelers to this new trip report. Today I'm gonna fly from Stuttgart to Paris. I booked my flight with Air France, but today it's operated by HOP, the low-cost carrier of Air France. I will collect my boarding pass from one of the ticket machines. Stuttgart Airport has a very clean and modern design. I already passed security check and I will now head for my gate. The gate for today's flight is gate 316. The airport is very empty at this time due to the coronavirus, and there are only 2 to 3 other flights leaving right now. Boarding started on time and was done in groups from 1 to 5. My plane for today is a 13 years old Embraer 170 and it's by far the smallest aircraft at the terminal.
Aus Sicherheitsgründen bitten wir Sie darum, unbedingt die Sitznummer zu achten, die Ihnen für den Abflug und die Landung.
So here I am at my seat 18F and the first impressions are very bad. Look how dirty the whole seat is. The legroom, however, is very good.
Et l'ensemble des consignes écrites et lumineuses ainsi que les instructions de l'équipage. Réglez vos appareils électroniques en mode avion ou éteignez-les. En cas de fumée, de dégagement de chaleur, de chute ou de perte d'un appareil électronique, vous devez prévenir immédiatement l'équipage de cabine. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front, at the back. To evacuate the aircraft, follow the illuminated path and instructions from the crew and leave all your baggage.
The crew served the complimentary drink, which is a rare thing on short haul nowadays. You can have a beer or wine for free as well. I have to show you the dirty cabin of this aircraft one more time. In my opinion, that's unacceptable on a European airline. At least the crew was very friendly on this flight and we are already descending into Paris.
Vous pouvez dès à présent désactiver le mode avion. Votre ceinture de sécurité doit rester attachée jusqu'à l'extinction de la consigne. It is 12:10 p.m. Please note your arrival hall is located at Terminal 2F. You may now deactivate flight mode.
PNC aux portes, désarmement des toboggans.
I've just arrived in Paris with mixed feelings. The crew was very nice, but the cabin was unacceptable. Air France should clean this aircraft as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.